In this video, I'm gonna be showing you two different methods to see your Facebook password on your PC. In first method, we will see our saved Facebook password in our browser. So go to your browser in which browser you use your Facebook. So currently I'm using the Google Chrome browser. From your browser, tap this settings icon or three dot and here hover over on passwords and autofill and then click on Google Password Manager. And in here, this search passwords field, type here Facebook. If you ever saved your Facebook password in your password manager, here you will find facebook.com. Click on that. And here you will find all of your @date Facebook account login credential. So as you can see, this is account. The account number is this one. And here we can see the account password. You can click this little eye icon to make the password visible. And by clicking on this copy button, you can easily copy your password. So this was the first method to see our saved Facebook account password. Now let's the second method. All you have to need to open any Google service in your browser. You can use Google, you can use Mail, Google Drive, then Google Calendar. Just go to your Google service and click on your profile photo, then click on manage your Google account. In your Google account dashboard, click on security and sign in. In here, scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here you will find your password manager. Click on that. And this is your Google Password Manager. Just click on the search passwords and type here Facebook. Click on facebook.com. It may ask you to verify your Google account password. Just verify your password. And then here you will be able to easily access your Facebook account password. Just find out the account and click on this little eye icon and your Facebook account password will be visible. So that's how you can actually check our Facebook account password in our computer. Thanks for watching.